An addiction specialist speaks in Worcester Monday in hopes of spreading the word. Ruth Potee has been a doctor for more than 2 decades and specializes in addiction. She, as well as other officials in the area, hope to eliminate the stigma around addiction so no more families have to suffer. Our Cam Jandros in Worcester tonight with those details. Cam?
Hannah, addiction is something impacting families across the United States. According to the American Addiction Centers, 9% of men and 5% of females battled addiction in 2017. That, coupled with the opioid crisis, is making for a dangerous situation, which has medical professionals looking for solutions. Ruth Potee has been an addiction specialist for more than 20 years. She says a lot has changed over those 2 decades.
And I think people hear addiction and they think just opiates these days, but there's all kinds of things that take over our brain. Our kids are often controlled by their iPhones or other screens.
Potee spoke Monday at Quinsigamond Community College as part of National Recovery Month.
Many of our students are either recovering or they struggle with it at one time during their tenure here. So we like to be aware of the issues.
In 2017, American Addiction Centers reported nearly 20 million Americans 12 and older battled substance abuse.
90% of the people incarcerated at Worcester County House of Correction have substance abuse disorders. So, obviously that's a very high percentage of our people, and we work very hard with those who want to meet us halfway.
This is a treatable brain disease, substance use disorder, and it's very hard to beat. So I feel like we need a little bit more compassion.
Statistics released by the Department of Public Health show opioid-related overdose deaths increased by 21% last year.
I guess if one were to find only one silver lining in this opiate epidemic, it is that the level of public knowledge and understanding about addiction is so much higher than it used to be. And
Potee's goal? Eliminate the stigma around addiction and show people it's a preventable, treatable disease.
it's not easy. If it were easy, we'd have solved this problem long ago. Instead, it's a lot of work to get over addiction.
Now, Potee says she doesn't want to downgrade the impact marijuana has on the brain. She wants to study that to see if there's a correlation between marijuana use and addiction. In Worcester, I'm Cam Jandro, Worcester News Tonight.